Hello kids! Today I have a magic box. You see it? What is in the box? Let's see the magic. Wow! What is this? Let's see. It's a magic words. Please. Thank you. Sorry. Excuse me. Welcome. These are magic words. It's mean polite words. You can say it golden words. You have to use these words at home in daily life. Let's explain all the words.
Hello friends, how are you? My name is Lisa and I am your friend.
Hello friends, how are you? I am Tina and we are explain you the golden words. Let's start with please.
Please, when you want something or if you need a favor of someone, you should say please. What will you say? Please. Okay kids?
When you will do something wrong or if you will do some mistake, you should say sorry. What will you say? You say sorry. Okay kids?
When you will get something, you should say thank you. Okay kids? What will you say? You say thank you. Thank you is a golden word.
When someone say thank you, you will say welcome. If somebody say thank you to you, then you should say welcome. Welcome is a golden word.
Excuse me, kids. If you want to interrupt someone, you should say excuse me. Excuse me is a golden word.
Kids, you know that God wants us to be polite. Kids, being polite for better relationship. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Okay, take care.